Importing different types of drawings into Design2Cut is extremely easy. To import a DXF file from another CAD program or something you may have downloaded off the internet, just click the DXF import icon and then browse to the file you want. After the item is previewed, you can scale it if you'd like to change the size right off the bat, and you can also flatten the layers before it's even imported. Once the DXF is imported, you can turn on shading to check to make sure the file is the way you expect it to be. In this case, we can see the shading, which would represent the metal and not the cutouts, is opposite of what it is, so there's a problem with the drawing. It's very easy to find the issue if you just go up to the top and click the Fix Drawing tool and then search for issues within the drawing. It'll find any overlaps or joint issues. If it finds an error, it'll circle them, and you can just click Fix. Now the image is the way we expect it. The next thing we can do is import a silhouette. A silhouette image is going to trace the outside of a file. The next type would be a centerline image. Centerline image is going to take something that has line weight to lines that are already existing. Instead of doubling up those lines and forcing you to trim them out later, it will find the middle of the line weight and turn that into your file. As you can see, instead of giving us a line on the inside and outside of this, it's gone ahead and placed one line down the middle. You can also raise the quality of the segmentation and get something that's a little cleaner. The last tool and something that is unique to Design2Cut would be the multi-layer color image import. In most software, you either end up converting to black and white or dealing with choosing colors within the image. In Design2Cut, it'll locate the colors automatically, and not only that, but place those colors on different layers, which makes it extremely easy to decide what things in the image you may or may not want to cut. And if you're going to cut the final product as a multi-layer item, it makes laying that out much easier. We can see here the inside of the B is a different color than the B. It's because it recognized the white was a layer on top. However, we want that to be part of the B so that it cuts out properly. All we have to do is select what we have, the white, and then move it to the red layer. Now you can see we have a red layer, a white layer, and a blue layer. If we want to move that out and we get this ready to cut, all we have to do is go to each individual layer, and if we use the Select All Objects tool, we can select the objects on that layer and move them to the side. These are now the 3 items we would need to cut in order to make this item.